Tatlong Pinoy na vloggers kalaboso matapos makipag-rumble.
Nakipag-rumble, hindi nakasuntok.
Ay. Okay, eto. For sure magre-react si Vince dito. Boracay. Wait. Ses, para sa'yo to.
Ako talaga.
Meron ka bang destination na nasabi mo sa sarili mo na, hindi na ako babalik dito?
Ganon? Ganon ah. Hindi na ako babalik dito. Aba, syempre naman meron. Meron kasi actually.
Wait. For sure, mahabang chikahan na naman to. So, mag-intro na muna tayo. Hey, Tipiters! I'm Vince.
I'm Yosh.
And I'm Ses. Welcome to the Poor Traveler Podcast.
The show that will help you plan smart, travel safe, and make every trip
Worth it!
Okay, so today, medyo controversial ang ating topic. Kasi ilang beses nating na-mention in the past episodes yung mga destinations na gusto nating i-visit ulit. Pero this time, magfo-focus tayo sa mga hindi na natin babalikan.
Ekis na.
Oo.
Ganon.
Ganun
Ekis
na.
na siya.
Pero hindi naman kailangang negative. It can be for any reason. Pwedeng bad experience or hindi nyo na lang talaga nagustuhan or it reminds you of something or someone na ayaw nyo nang maalala.
Ba't ka tumingin sa akin?
Wala lang.
Ha?
Wala lang.
Tumingin? Ayaw maalala.
Oo.
Kasi actually, sa totoo lang, pwede rin kasi ang reason mo for not returning to a place is because the memory was so precious and good. Diba? So, gusto mo na, i-preserve mo na yung memory, ayaw mo na siyang matabunan. Unfortunately, ako may mga gusto akong matabunan eh. Pero pwede ngang positive. Yung parang na-extract mo na all that you can from that place. Yung enjoyment, excitement, lahat ng memories na gawa mo na, you're done. Tapos na. Hindi na siya part ng future plans mo. Yun.
So, yan yung pag-uusapan natin today. Pero, hindi lang yung point of view natin yung pag-uusapan natin. Meron din tayong mga babasahin na mga ambag ng mga tipiters galing sa The Poor Traveler Support Group on Facebook and The Poor Traveler subreddit.
Tapos ang mindset dito is agree to disagree tayo.
Oo.
O baga pwedeng pareho tayo. Or baka pwede din namang, wait, let me challenge that. Wow, oh my God.
Or, hindi ibig sabihin na magdi-disagree tayo sa isang view na babasahin natin ay in-invalidate natin
Correct.
yung point of view nila. Ang goal natin is to show na iba-iba tayo ng mga preferences, iba-iba tayo ng priorities kapag nagta-travel, di ba? So, the views and opinions expressed by the tipiters sa subreddit and sa support group do not necessarily reflect those of the hosts and of this network. Network! Network of three. Ayan.
Tayo. Tayo rin yung host eh, di ba?
Oo.
Host na nga, network pa.
Simulan na natin. Yung unang entry natin ay galing kay Lost Lurker 7. Ang sabi niya na hindi na niya babalikan ay Brunei.
Brunei.
Super boring if you don't have local friends. And maraming nag-agree. Ang sabi ni Small Tiny Doc, I grew up there and I agree. Nothing special though it's quietly pleasant. Nice roads and malls, stuff like that. My soft spot comes from all the food they have there. It was always a variety of great local food. Malaysian, Indonesian, Chinese, and Indian primarily. Or I don't know, baka nostalgia lang yung masarap siya because it's been a while. Yun. Nag-edit siya, sabi niya, forgot to add, some of the beaches are pretty nice. Grassy parts that fade into soft yellow sand. Yun. Ang hirap magbigay ng opinion kasi we've never been to Brunei.
I attempted to go to Brunei in 2025. I asked my sister, sabi ko sa sister ko, si Celine, tuloy ko kaya tong Brunei ko this year? Vehemently. You know my sister, diba? How she is, diba? How dry yung the way she expresses herself. Sabi niya, teog na. Teog na. So, I think she's also of the opinion na parang if you're coming from the Philippines, for example, Brunei will be no different. And in terms of energy, I'll build on what Lost Lurker said. Kasi ang sinabi niya, may qualifier siya eh. If you don't have local friends, kung wala kang kakilala or ka-interact, the experience will tend to be a little bit boring.
Pero, kami ni Vince, tayo lahat, hindi pa rin tayo nag-Brunei, pero ako, still looking forward. Not just because we want to visit all the countries in the world, pero siguro ang masasabi natin is, if meron kayong nabasang ganito, narinig na ganito, and gusto nyong pumunta, i-go nyo pa rin.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi hindi mo masasabi baka it's one of those destinations na hindi cup of tea ng everyone, pero baka it's for you.
Correct.
Baka meron kayong mahanap na something na may enjoy nyo doon or
Oo.
someone na mamimit nyo doon, di ba?
Who
Hindi nyo
knows?
malaman.
To build on that, no, another POV was my mom, my tita, and my tito also went to Brunei. At the same time, my sister did. Sila, and they were around 63 years old, 62 years old at this time, they enjoyed the river cruise. Diba? So parang, yun yung sinasabi ng old saying like, wow, different strokes for different
different
folks.
folks.
Diba? Kaya yung POV ng sister ko, and alam niya, fourth, diba? Alam niya rin ako kung anong hinahanap ko sa travel. So, discourage niya ako. But for my mom, my tita, tito, they liked it. Mm-mm.
Yun, at the end of the day, you'll never know if it's for you if you're not going there.
Correct.
So, puntahan nyo pa rin. Kung may balak naman talaga kayo, we're not saying na you should visit kasi hindi pa namin napuntahan. Pero if may balak naman na kayo, I mean, don't be discouraged, I feel.
Okay. Ito naman from Mysterious Market 32 from Reddit. Ito yung sabi niya. Bali, yun na yun. May mga nag-reply pa doon like si Remarkable Love 8090. PH pa rin talaga kapag beaches, no? Tapos from Vivid Acantisita 583. Overhype kasi sa mga pictures na nakikita ko sa SOCMED.
Ako, I'll add something to this, no? I brought my mom to Bali. Kasi parang I had a business trip in Jakarta. Tapos sabi ko, Mom, sama ka. Spend a few days with me in Jakarta. Tapos let's fly to Bali. With the expectation na, you know, it will be just like in the photos. Kaya medyo tama yung sinabi ni Vivid eh. For example, that famous parang
Yung Gate of
the
Heaven.
Gate of Heaven photo. There's a technique on how to achieve that look. Pero when you're there, it's like a plain gate. Oo, 'di ba? That you can see. So minsan yung expectation sa reality mo, parang bababa ka. 'Di ba? Sa expectations mo and then sa reality. So medyo may konting ganun si Bali. And I agree that the beaches, I expected more. Kasi kung galing ka sa Pilipinas and alam mo yung wangis ng beaches natin, lalo na Palawan, Bohol, Boracay, doon ka sanay eh. Tapos pag nakita mo, sure ba to na ito yung tamang beach? Or baka hindi. Baka
mas
may iba
maganda
pa.
pa.
Oo. So medyo may ganun din akong experience with Bali. Pero my mom enjoyed.
Ako kasi, kami ni Vince, we love Bali!
Ako,
We're Bali apologists.
ako.
Yes.
We love Bali and I feel na yung flack na nakukuha ng Bali, tama ka, meron kasi expectation reality na nandun at play.
Na kailangan mo i-manage.
Oo. Pero kasi dumating kami ni Vince doon na wala kaming expectations pagdating sa beaches. Kunyari. Kasi alam na namin eh. Kaya nung gumawa kami dito sa YouTube ng video na parang, I think parang 12 or 13 mistakes to avoid when planning a trip to Bali. One of the items there is, do not expect much from the beaches.
Yes.
Kasi we always picture Bali as a beach destination. And it is an island at the end of the day. Maraming mga beaches. Oo, marami siya, di ba? Tapos, napoportray yung Bali, parating nasa beach, di ba? Lalo na sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung picture ng Bali na we know is a beach destination. Pero mas na-enjoy kasi namin ni Vince yung highlands eh. The temples, the waterfalls, yung ubod.
Yung ubod, oo.
And yung food culture
Yes.
talaga.
Oo.
So talagang ang dami nating night markets, nakailang food food tour tayo.
Everyday.
Like, guided food tour. Meron kami events everyday. Sobrang na-appreciate namin yung Bali. So, yun. And can't wait to go back.
Tsaka para siyang all-in-one island. Kung gusto mo ng pure nature, mga bundok-bundok, merong ubod. So, gusto mo ng parang food trip, pwede kang pumunta sa Seminyak, nung ka mag-food trip. Kung gusto mo ng beach, pwede ka rin doon sa Seminyak. May coffee culture din doon. Ang lang is, kailangan lang talaga i-manage yung expectations. Pag pumunta kayo doon, huwag niyong isipin si Boracay.
Oo.
Kahit wag na natin i-compare sa Pilipinas, sabihin nila, biased kayo kasi taga-Pilipinas kayo, ganyan. Pero compare nyo rin siya sa ibang beaches sa Indonesia. Yung beaches sa Bali, carry lang siya. Di ba? Ang dami pang mas magagandang beaches sa Indonesia.
I go up to the highlands, etc.
Ako talaga mas, yung nature culture talaga yung habol ko sa Bali. Kaya gusto kong bumalik. And food, iba-iba yung dating sa atin ng bawat destination. So,
True.
if para sa inyo, hindi nyo nababalikan, okay lang yan. Lahat tayo ay may opinion. Yan. Okay, ito naman, merong tatlong nagsabi. Si Ellie Fras, RLS Adiz, and si JP naman from support group. Yung kay JP na lang sasabihin ko, sabi niya, Hong Kong, people are so mean, palaging galit.
I will speak up. Kasi Hong Kong has been my favorite place. So, the first one was business trip. And it was my first international destination eh. It was my first airplane ride. So, Hong Kong holds a special place in my heart. When I returned to it, I was with my sister. So, ibang experience naman yun kasi I was able to bring my sister. So, I was a proud ate. So, it holds a different memory naman for that second trip. For the third trip, it was after the pandemic. And I just wanted to return to a place that made me happy. Because I went solo this time.
And did it still make you happy?
It did. It did. But my only but is that I saw a different Hong Kong na. From when I first went. Kasi parang when I first went, buhay na buhay yung komersyo. Like parang sukat ako ng sukat ng mga boots. ng mga boots. Tapos,
Kahit sa night market, mas
Sa
maraming
night market,
stalls.
yes.
Oo, punong-puno.
dati, magsasawa ka magsukat sa ng mga sapatos, mga boots. Ngayon, parang nung pumunta ako dun sa alam kong night market, akala ko naligaw ako. I thought naligaw ako kasi sabi ko, batang iksi na lang. Yung pala, sinara na. Wala na. Ito na lang talaga yung naiwan. Third time I came, I also had a little bit more budget. So I had less fear of entering restaurants. Kasi dati, parang I would just eat like sa street, open, walang problema. Because the food for me in Hong Kong, I love Chinese cuisine kasi, I love Chinese food. So, for me, sabi niya, there are some comments here that I saw na ayaw nila yung smell ng food. But for me, it's the reverse. I love walking in the streets and then smelling the spices in the air.
Feeling ko kasi, yung tinutukoy niya, baka lang tinatry ko lang i-explain ko. Parang, yung tinutukoy, may nag-comment kasi nga na parang mabaho yung food. Kasi di ba sa mga, like kunyari sa Mongkok, uso yung mga innards.
Yes.
Na,
Lamang loobs.
Oo, lamang loob. So yun, mabaho kasi talaga yun
May pungent smell siya eh. Diba?
Meron siyang stink.
Yes.
Talaga.
Oo.
Parang stinky tofu sa Taiwan, di ba? Parang may ganun siya. Tapos kasi niluluto siya open air.
Yes.
Tapos,
So, naka-disperse talaga yung
amoy.
niya.
Kasi admittedly ako rin, nung first time ko sa Mongkok and kahit sa Chimshat, sure may ganyan, di ba? Ano yan, street food. Nababahuan din ako.
Correct.
Nabahuan din ako. Pero, hindi naman lahat ng food ganun.
Oo.
And hindi lahat ng areas.
But if it's your first time encountering it, it could stick in your mind. Tapos yun na yung maging generalization mo about the food. And then, siguro, I want to also comment about people are so mean. You know, it also took a lot of unlearning on my part to accept this one. Kasi, kunyari, for example, if you don't speak their language, they shoo you away. Tarang they won't give you time of day para explain ko magkano presyo nila. Gaganon ka nila with hand signal na, no, yung ayaw ka nilang kausap. Buti, video na tayo ngayon. kasi
Nakikita.
Dati kasi, nung pure audio tayo sa Spotify, pag nag-action-action tayo, guys, ginaganito ko yung kamay ko ha. Saying no, saying no. Hong Kong people are like that kasi their lives are so quick, so fast.
Fast-paced.
Fast-paced. And the thing is, kanina nga when we were trying to think about, oo nga no, yung experience natin na ganun, we all experienced it.
Sa Hong
Kay
Kong.
babae ka, kay lalaki ka, kay bata ka, kay matanda ka,
Kay Pinoy ka, kay hindi.
kay taga dun ka. Kung makulit ka, medyo nagluluto yung tao, no? Tapos tanong-tanong ka, medyo masusumitan ka rin talaga.
Makakatikim na.
Oo. Tapos, siguro it becomes like a feature na of the place na parang, okay, dapat mabilis akong makipagtransaksyon. Okay, dapat kung may gusto ko, turo ko na
Sure ka
kagad.
na,
Tapos yung
dapat,
pera ko,
oo.
ready na kagad. Oo. Para na lang wala ng ganong experience. I think, ano siya, part siya of adapting to the culture.
Oo, pero tama ka. Ako rin, nararanasan ko yung ganyan na pagka-dismissive, yung parang rude sa mga tindera sa night market eh. Yung kapag ka, halimbawa, pumipili ka pa lang,
Oo.
tapos syempre gusto mo mag-check ng other stalls.
Yes.
Tapos, di ba minsan,
Alis ka.
oo, o kaya, pag i-convince ka nila na bumili, tapos sasabihin mo, oh, I'll come back. Parang,
Huwag na. Huwag ka
parang,
nang bumalik.
hindi natin alam,
Oo.
hindi natin naintindihan kung ano sinabi
Oo.
nila, pero parang ganun yung feeling natin.
Oo.
Pero feeling ko, ang key dito is to not take it personally.
Ah, yeah.
Na parang, ganun sila sa lahat. So,
Rest assured, guys.
oo, so parang ganun lang talaga sila.
Parang, wag niyo yung personalin. Siyempre, maano ka ng slight. Pero after nun, wag na. Kalimutan niyo na. Kasi parang for them, after nun, parang kakalimutan na nila kayo.
Oo, same lang eh, diba?
Oo.
May mga ganyan encounters, di ba? Pero sa dinami-raming beses na nagpapabalik-balik na kami ni Vince sa Hong Kong, sa akin na mas marami pa rin naman yung pleasant, yung experience.
Yes.
Kaysa sa hindi. Yun nga lang, kasi ang tendency kasi, di ba, kapag yung mga unpleasant, yun yung nagsistick talaga sa memory mo.
Kakaturo ko lang yan sa students ko kanina.
Here
Ano sabi mo?
comes Professor.
And it's time for
Dance!
Professor Says.
Kasi, okay, our brain functions to protect us. Di ba? So, our brain attunes to danger signals, negative experiences. Mas yun yung nare-retain ng brain natin kasi ang gusto niya talaga is to protect us from
Para hindi na
these
natin
experiences, para hindi na natin ulitin.
Mhm.
Kaya, it's really a process of unlearning for us na if we encounter rude merchants, rude people, and then the experience is unpleasant, yun talaga yung mareretain. Versus, let's say, nagandahan ka dun sa malaking Ferris wheel. Natuwa ka dun sa ferry. Natuwa ka dun sa nag-service sa'yo sa isang mall na very competent, tapos quick service, convenient, mabait. Yung brain natin will not focus on those three marvelous things, but will focus on the rude experience. Kasi, because of negativity bias in our brains. Kaya nga minsan, di ba, if we have a bad experience, it's more compelling for us to write a scathing review about a negative experience rather than praise a good
something
Quality
really, really good.
service. Oo. Ganun siya. So, that's negativity bias in human beings. It's our nature.
Feeling ko ganun yung nangyayari sa Hong Kong. Pero meron kasi talaga, I mean, makaka-encounter ka talaga ng sales lady, waiter, na masungit, taxi driver, na masungit, alam mo yun.
Oo.
Meron naman din talaga. Pero, lalo na lately, mas madami naman yung parang mas magiliw na.
Yeah.
Oo.
Tsaka, I think it also depends on how tourist-oriented the place is.
Yes.
For example, o kasi nga, nitong last trip ko sa Hong Kong, medyo konting may budget na. So, na-discover ko yung K11 Musea, which is a mall. Tapos, syempre, yung mga stores doon, medyo international brands na. Not local. They were not local outfits. So, yung mga service people dun sa K11 Musea, grabe sila yung kwento ko sa inyo na they made sure I downloaded the app para I get free points. Tapos, sabi nung pag tinuruan pa nila ako ng technique na let's separate the purchases para you get free points. The points you earn here, you put it towards this second purchase plus you get free coffee. Basta yung meron pa silang mga ganong extended help na pinrovide sa akin.
Tama kaya, parang depende siya sa establishment din
Oo.
kung ano. Although,
Kung yung orientation nila is for tourists
tourist,
talaga. Oo.
pero meron isa kasi kaming nakainan ni Vince na it's really for locals. Like, wala kaming kasabay na turista. Kami lang ni Vince, yung foreign looking at least. Tapos, yung mga waiters and waitresses puro matatanda sa Look on Quay. Ganyan. 'Di ba? Parang it's a very local restaurant. Pero sobrang giliw naman nilang lahat. 'Di ba?
Maybe, maybe it's also evolving. Kasi nga, conditions are changing in Hong Kong. So may mga political factors, social factors changing. The landscape is changing.
Yes.
Oh, so let's see, let's return.
Sa mga nakikinig sa atin na never pa nag-Hong Kong, yung first time pa lang, yes, yung mga rude na mga encounters na ganito, they happen. It happened to me, happened to you, happened to you, Ses, din, di ba? For sure.
Yes.
Nangyayari talaga yan. Pero siguro ang masasabi natin is, don't be discouraged nga lang din siguro.
Bigyan nyo ng chance. Kasi ako, na-experience ko yan 2006 nung nag-Hong Kong kami. Marami akong natatandaan na rude na na mga sales lady sa mga night markets. Tsaka kahit nga doon sa mga shops na mga sapatos. As in kung alam nilang hindi ka bibili, namimili ka pa lang. Alam mo yung kausap pa nila maayos, biglang dededmahin ka na nila
Oo.
after.
Kitang-kita mo sa face yung change
biglang
ng mood. Oo. Yes.
Pero ngayon, parang nakailang balik na kami ni Yosh ng Hong Kong after pandemic. Mas marami na yung pleasant na experience namin. So, parang give it a chance. Kasi parang, syempre hindi naman natin pwedeng i-generalize na lahat sila ganon.
Yeah.
Yun. Okay. Next, sino magbabasa?
Oh, I wanna basa
Go,
this.
go.
Kasi this specific country I also love. Okay? So, si Remarkable Love, 8080, sabi niya, ang hindi niya babalikan is Cambodia. Remarkable Love says, Angkor Wat, experience lang yung maganda. The rest, X na. So, meron din siyang symbol na X. Okay. Hindi masarap ang food. Ang nakuha naming service papunta at pauwi ng Angkor Wat, naging history class pa nga. Hindi siya tumigil dumadaldal, tas kahit habang kumakain kami, nagdi-discuss pa rin siya na nagpe-pretend na lang ako nakikinig pero wala na akong maintindihan. Tas yun lang, wala naman kami babalikan doon. Tapos nakakatakot din pala ang land borders nila from Vietnam. Nag-bus lang din kasi kami. Grabe, parang anytime pwedeng may mangidnap sa'yo or ma-scam sa'yo. May mga reports pala na ganun.
Oo, meron. May mga border scams, madami din yan.
Tapos sabi ni Caramel Jenny, Cambodia, first day na paaway kami. Yung massage place na napuntahan namin, may modus na pinapalitan ng fake yung $50 mo na nakawan habang minamassage kayo. O biro mo, magre-relax na lang sila. Tapos na pa sa na-scam sila. So, ang sabi niya, buti na huli namin ginagawa nila. Okay.
Well, marami naman talagang scams. Oo.
Maganda rin na na-bring up nila yung scams, no?
Unahan ko na.
Oo.
Magkakaroon tayo ng Southeast Asia Scams episode in the future. So, kung ayaw niyong ma-miss yan, subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button and ring the bell beside it para notified kayo kapag up na yun.
Notify kayo. Maganda na na-bring up nila to kasi 'di ba sabi nga natin sa ating mga katagang plan smart, travel safe, and make everything worth it. Parte talaga yung being a little bit of paranoid when it comes to maloloko ba ako dito. So tama actually mga points nila na parang border scam, currency switching scam. Buti attuned sila sa mga ganong klaseng modus. Yung hyper-aware sila about it. I love that for these Redditors, these
Kasi
TikTokers.
nag-exist talaga sila.
Hindi natin i-idealize.
Hindi natin i-romanticize.
Hindi natin i-romanticize yung sitwasyon, okay? Yung love ko for Cambodia actually is really deeply rooted in its sordid history. Na ang ganda-ganda ng kultura nila. Pero for the longest time, nababaon ito sa literal na forest. 'Di ba? Kinailangan nilang bungkalin yung ungkatin yung Angkor Wat complex and many other complexes kasi hindi lang Angkor Wat ang nag-exist eh. I found Khmer people to be very warm.
Yes.
Yun yung, kaya yung heart ko for them is like my heart for my fellow Filipinos na they're just really dealt a really bad hand in politics. Grabe kasi yung history niyan eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Bloody. Bloody history talaga. And recent ha?
Yes.
Hindi to parang like 200 years ago.
Oo.
Ang yun nangyari sa kanila in recent history, ang daming nawalang mga scholars and professionals sa Cambodia because of that. So parang na-set back yung progress ng country nila years back.
Ako, my heart bleeds for them because they are a warm people. They have beautiful history, almost completely erased, 'di ba? By time, by kung gaano in the poverty levels pa rin ng Cambodia eh, 'di ba? Because honestly guys, there's also corruption there.
Malala din. Malala.
Matindi ang korupsyon sa Cambodia. So, kaya ganun yung conditions, kaya may scam. Not justifying na ano ka ng ibang tao, argabyado ka ng ibang tao, pero yung hirap ng buhay nila doon is katulad ng hirap din ng buhay natin dito sa Pinas.
Or worse.
And far worse. So may ganun siyang factor. If, for example, you are a history buff, you will, oh my God, you will really parang find Cambodian history to be super duper
Compelling.
rich. Oo. Grabe. Ungkatin nyo guys, don't just go to the Angkor Wat complexes, go to their museums. There is a high concentration of historians, young historians, our age, young historians and young archaeologists, anthropologists in Cambodia because sobrang yaman nung pwede mo mabungkal na history sa country na yon. And the only reason why the guide kept on talking was probably because the guide was so passionate and proud of their history. Pag nakabaon ka kasi sa lusak, sa current situation mo, you tend to hold on, di ba? To the riches of the past. Kasi yun, di ba? Yun na lang yung nadidiscover mo na something beautiful about the land you were born in. So, if there is one key takeaway after my litany about Cambodia, kasi I want to return a third time eh. To tabon who I was with during the second time. Para matabunan, I wanna go a third time. If there's one thing that I want you to take away from me in this episode, kung history buff ka, Cambodia. Pero that you need to have that you need to have that
openness.
To appreciation of history, to appreciate the place, because all other things like it's dusty. It also tends to be hot. Pero yun nga, if you are into history, Cambodia is the place to be.
Yes, I love Cambodia din. At least yung Siem Reap area, yun pa lang hindi naman tayo bumabasa ng pen.
Ay, nakapag-Phnom din ako.
Pero again, if na-scam ka, gets ko yun eh. Yung parang kung
ako rin
halimbawa na-scam ako, parang ayoko nang bumalik dito. Parang
Truly,
ganun.
oo.
It is valid. Lalo kung nangyari sa inyo, parang nakakainis talaga yun.
Oo.
Hindi naman sa, in-invalidate namin yun. Pero,
Nag-explain lang. Explain lang.
Side namin,
Hindi, ang exercise kasi na to is we're looking at yung mga destinations na sinasabi nila na hindi nila babalikan kasi gusto rin nating malaman kung ano yung view nila, 'di ba? Bakit hindi nila babalikan? And at the same time tayo rin magko-compare lang tayo ng experiences natin. Kasi syempre iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang circumstances, iba-ibang time ng visit, yung iba recent, yung iba sa inyo recent, tas yung sa amin kasi baka matagal na or yung visit namin sa recent, tas kayo matagal na, di ba? Parang maganda lang din mag-compare para to show din na, di ba? Parang yun yung maganda sa travel di ba? We're not going to get the same experience all the time.
Correct. Just like the river, di ba? You never step into the same river twice.
Yes.
Kasi nag-change na eh.
So, ganun siya. So, gets natin, again, we're not invalidating anything na sinasabi nyo. We're just sharing yung mga views natin.
Parang it also matters who you were with, no? During the trip. my first time coming there, I was in the company of archaeologists kasi. So, iba yung experience, rich yung experience. Kasi they would take me to their favorite restaurants, they would take me to dig sites, they would give me an inside look dun sa museum na hindi pa naka-display. Kaya maybe it created really good memories for me and an immersion for me. Kaya medyo naging ganun yung opinion ko of ano.
Ako naman, pangarap ko kasi talagang mag-Angkor Wat. So kahit sabihin na parang Angkor Wat lang yung maganda, that's good enough for me.
I'm good! I'm good! I'm sold!
Yes.
Diba?
And twice ko na, binalikan ko pa. So, ganun.
Feeling ko yung Angkor Wat mo is to my Terracotta Warriors. my dream of seeing the Terracotta Warriors. Yun, okay.
Okay. Yung next entry natin galing kay Grace sa support group. Ang kanyang destination na hindi babalikan ay danananan, Switzerland. And sabi niya, I know maraming mapapa. What? Pero I was underwhelmed and it was so expensive. Ang daming tourists at ang ingay sa mga trains. Ayun.
Tourist ang maingay.
Siguro.
Baka.
I have never been, so I will let you guys take the floor.
Agree ako sa sobrang expensive.
Totoo naman yun.
Oo.
So parang meron siyang effect na parang okay na to. Kasi hindi na ako gagastos ng ganito ka mahal ulit. Alam mo yan, may ganun.
Once
Ganun
is
ka.
enough, parang ganun.
Pero kasi kami ni Vince, hindi namin siya masyadong na-explore. Zurich lang yung na-explore namin na area. So kami, gusto namin bumalik. Pero feeling din namin, meron tayong mga ganung bansa yung alam natin na one and done.
Yes.
Hindi dahil hindi natin na-enjoy, hindi dahil napangitan tayo, hindi dahil pangit yung experience, pero dahil okay na yon.
Correct.
Yun na yun. Example would be for me, Iceland. Kasi na-explore naman namin yung Iceland, at least yung mga major tourist areas, na-explore naman namin siya. Hindi namin nakita yung Northern Lights, pero nakita namin siya elsewhere, so hindi na namin siya makita. Oo. We love Iceland, one of our favorite countries in terms of kung nagandahan talaga kami or hindi nagandahan naman talaga. Hindi ko lang nakikita yung sarili ko na babalik kasi parang okay na ako. Hindi ko na muna siguro siya babalikan unless may manlilibre sa akin. Yung, alam mo yung ganung feeling na parang, okay na to. Yun. At least not in 5-10 years. Siguro mga like 20 years pwede ulit. Pero parang okay na ako. Ikaw ba? Meron kayong mga ganung destinations na hindi nyo na sila babalikan kasi parang
Okay na ako.
satisfied naman na kayo.
Oo.
Ako so far wala pa.
So, maraming balak balikan si Vince pala.
Gusto ko kasing bumabalik sa mga destinations na in love ako eh.
Kasi, parang,
Hindi to relive the moment, pero dahil gusto ko na lang siyang i-explore ng hindi ganun ka fast-paced. Kasi tuwing nagto-travel kami ni Yosh, parating in consideration na kailangan mapuntahan namin to, mapuntahan namin yan. May sinusundan
May
kaming
checklist
itinerary.
kayo, oo.
Kasi gagawa kami ng travel guide.
Oo.
Correct.
Kasi part ng trabaho namin yun.
work kasi.
Oo.
Oo, tama.
If may babalikan ako, parang gusto ko lang na gigising ako any time of the day. Tapos lalabas ako na ito yung napunta akong restaurant nung huli kong punta. Babalikan ko siya.
Kasi nagustuhan
Oo.
mo.
Tapos gusto kong pumunta sa gantong cafe. Kasi hindi ko na-try last time. Mga ganun.
Relax na
Very
lang.
chill na lang.
Alam mo, marami siguro kayong viewers na nasa YouTube, sa Reels, sa TikTok, na hindi nare-realize yan about kung ano yung ginagawa niyo.
Oo,
Diba?
feeling
Feeling ko,
ko.
oo, kapag nagre-research kayo for a travel guide, ang dami natin kailangan ilaman.
On that note, it's time for Tipiters of the Week!
Yay! Alright, so yung babasahin ko ngayon, we wanna shout out si Sel Moya. Okay? So, ako nabasa ko to last night while I was just browsing the Poor Traveler Support Group. Tapos, ang sabi niya, ito yung story niya, I've been part of this group for a few weeks now, mostly just lurking. Yan.
Hello sa mga lurkers dyan. Okay lang yan.
Kalurky kayo, hello sa inyo.
Balang araw, matatagpuan nyo rin ang isang post na mag-uudyok sa inyong mag-comment for the first time or mag-post for the first time.
Katulad ng ginawa ni Sel. So sabi niya, but I just had to share this today. Oh, nagkaroon siya ng compelling urge. Sabi niya, while researching Bangkok travel tips, I found it surprisingly hard to come across a truly reliable resource. Okay? That said, the 2026 Bangkok Travel Guide written by Yosh is hands down the most comprehensive and helpful guide I've read. It pairs perfectly with TPT's Bangkok YouTube series. Huge kudos to Yosh and Vince, and cheers to many more adventures ahead. Worth it!
Yes,
sabi niya.
thank you, Sel.
Thank you naman so
Sel
much.
Moya.
Nireplyan ko siya eh. Tama-tama yung sinabi mo kanina, yung about sa you don't think people realize
Oo.
kung ano yung ginagawa namin.
Oo.
So usually guys, explain lang natin, when we travel, it's really a lot of work.
Yes.
Even kapag gumagawa kami ng sample itinerary na we present to you kunyari 4 days or 5 days lang, we actually stay longer in reality. Tapos, based on everything that we have experienced, doon namin gagawin yung travel guide. Kasi syempre, curated na yun. Tatanggalin na namin doon yung mga medyo hindi namin nagustuhan or, di ba, base sa lahat ng experience namin, bubuo kami ng travel guide and sample itinerary. So, nireplyan ko siya na parang, di ba, parang nakakatuwa na nare-recognize din yun ng ibang mga nagbabasa at nanonood sa atin. Kasi, mahirap talaga guys gumawa ng travel guide. Oo, lalo na pag video kasi, ang hirap niya.
Oo.
Days ang paggawa ng script.
Correct.
Oo. Yung script pa lang, days na may editing pa. And on that note din, salamat tayo sa mga editors natin, kay Pai and Mariah. And ine-edit din kasi ni Asta yung mga articles eh. Di ba? Lalo na yung Bangkok Travel Guide, it was last updated by Mariah kasi siya yung huling nag-Bangkok.
Correct. Oo.
So, yun pa guys, every time na meron tayong travel guide, we try to make it as
As
current
current,
as we
oo.
possibly can.
Oo.
So, minsan, babalik kami ni Vince dun sa destination. So, may mga nagsasabi na parang, paulit-ulit. Di ba? Parang feeling nila paulit-ulit. It's because we want to keep it updated. Oo. So, hindi naman kami nagre-upload or nagre-feature ng, kunwari, travel guide or ng video ng as is, 'di ba? Usually it's either we'll create an English version or a Tagalog version kasi yung thing with the Poor Traveler is almost half, like in the middle yung cut niya halos na meron tayong Filipino viewers and meron tayong non-Filipino viewers. So syempre, gagawa rin tayo ng English, gagawa tayo ng Tagalog. And when we re-upload something, usually may bago kasi. Merong
May
dinagdag.
update.
May kailangan i-update. Lalo na recently, 'di ba, parang from pandemic times, syempre marami na nagbago. Oh, hindi na kasi required to. Kaya Disneyland, meron kasi dati na parang nag-comment about bakit naulit yung sa Disneyland or 'di ba, parang sabi niyo sa video na to ganito, sabi niyo dito sa video na to ganito. Tapos sabi ko, there are 2 years apart. 'Di ba? Parang inulit namin siya kasi this is the updated one, 'di ba? Parang gano'n. So 'yun, gano'n lang, explain lang natin. It really takes a lot of work to put together a travel guide.
True.
Yung impact naman nung pag-create ninyo ng comprehensive, well-researched travel guide, tingnan mo, sabi ni Sel, kasi may follow-up, ano siya eh,
ba?
may follow-up message siya. Basahin ko lang yung last line sabi niya, I honestly feel so much more confident now about turning this trip into a reality.
Yes.
So when you inspire people to take action and to have that confidence, di ba? Saya.
Yes, and that's the goal.
Yes.
More than anyone is really the first timers that we want to help.
Correct.
'Di ba?
Kaya nga, sabi mo nga, minsan may nagko-comment. Actually, may mga throwaway comments minsan na, bakit Hong Kong na naman? Bakit Japan na naman? Ba't ganun na naman? Because guys, every single day, there is a first-timer in Japan. There is a Filipino first-timer in Hong Kong. Diba? So they need help. They need as much help as they can get.
Tsaka meron din tayong mga nakukuhang messages kasi 'di ba lalo na sa social media natin na parang we feature a lot of like first timer tips, lalo na airport tips like what to do at the immigration counters, what to do when clearing security checks, 'di ba parang ganon. And for some people siguro it's very basic, 'di ba? Parang basic tips naman 'yan, alam na namin 'yan. Tagal na namin hindi nagta-travel. Yes, and good for you. Congratulations. Pero syempre merong mga bagong travelers pa rin na hopefully matulungan ng mga videos na yun.
Kasi nga, when it comes to travel,
You can never have.
too much information!
Oo.
Okay. So, meron din tayong isa pang tipiter na gusto nating i-shout out. So, siya actually yung handle niya sa Instagram, si No Juan is an island. So, if you want to follow his account, marami rin siyang travel photos. Na
Yes, ang gaganda.
Yes.
Ang gaganda ng photos.
Super.
Tapos, ang dami niya napuntahan. Dami niya rin countries na napuntahan. So, very interesting yung profile niya. Pero ang totoong name niya is Mark.
Hindi one.
Hindi Juan, oo. No Juan is an island siya, pero ang name niya is Mark, and he is based in Baguio City. So, just this week, he sent us a care package.
Yes.
Tapos, merong kasamang ube
Ube
flakes.
Yes, and paubos na
Paubos yung isa.
So, yeah. So, bukod sa ube flakes, meron din siyang mga pinadalang other small gifts all the way from Baguio City. Mark, thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
listening to us. Alam mo, every time wala tayong upload, dati ha.
Oo.
Kasi ngayon, dati,
Ngayon meron na,
yes,
oo.
ngayon kasi marami tayong upload.
Mayabang na tayo.
Yes, confident. Dati talaga nagpa-follow up siya. Gently naman.
Oo.
Hindi naman
Nudge lang.
uy, wala kayong upload today ganon siya. Kasi pampahappy daw niya. Pampahappy daw niya ang ating podcast.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you,
and Sel.
Mark.
Thank you, Mark and Sel.
Yes. Ayan. So, okay, babalik na tayo sa discussion natin ng mga places na hindi na babalikan ng ating mga tipiters sa Reddit and support group on Facebook. Okay, eto. For sure, magre-react si Vince dito. Sabi ni Corpo Turncoat, New York. Terrible density, terrible prices, dirty, overhyped, and overpriced. Yun.
That's the statement.
T.
Yes.
That's the T.
That's the T.
Mm.
Go, Vince.
Pero you see, gets mo kung
May
bakit tayo hindi na siya babalik.
Nakikita ko tapos valid yung mga na-mention niya ng mga bagay dito. Like, yung
Prices?
terrible prices, totoo yun. Sobrang mahal sa New York. Tapos, madumi, pero hindi yung buong New York. Parts of it lang. Pero, yung experience, parang siguro nga, magbabari. Pero,
Ay, meron pa siyang isa palang sinabi. Kasi sabi niya, second would be San Francisco. We haven't been there. Pero sabi niya, so, first is New York, second is San Francisco. Great spots way back, but too much homeless that you feel you have to be ready at a moment's notice. Especially with the Asian hate in specific areas.
Oo.
Yun.
The fear is real, di ba?
Oh, kasi may nangyari naman talaga. Actually, nung nagpunta kami sa New York, meron din akong ganong fear. As in, medyo natatakot ako.
ako din. Lalo nung nung day na magsa-subway tayo, Yosh.
Pero thankfully, wala naman ganon. Wala naman tayo na experience na untoward sa buong New York stay. And parang by day 2, day 3, parang
At home na kayo?
Confident na aming
parang alam ko na it's one of my favorite cities na like nasa top 3 or top 4 yung New York. So,
kung hindi mo isipin yung presyo.
kung hindi maisipin yung presyo. Pero totally get it. Gets na gets. Parang I can understand bakit. Kasi it's very frustrating nga talaga ng ang mahal-mahal. Tapos every time nasa US kami, meron kaming certain fear.
Fear.
Hindi lang sa New York.
Okay.
Yan. Pero kasi masaya mag-New York kasi Broadway kasi, di ba?
So, minsan parang hahanap ka ng hindi naman sa ano, pero parang pang-justify. No? Balance ng
Pangahawakan.
pangahawakan. Yes, I am afraid, but also Broadway.
Pero yun, New York naman, dun sa stay namin, it didn't give us a reason to not like it other than the presyo.
Okay, next naman is from Fairycone 777. Baka may mag-downvote pero Ho Chi Minh. Parang Manila lang kasi eh. Okay na yung napuntahan ko na siya once. Pero Sapa and Hanoi, yes, sure, why not?
And in fairness, sa Reddit, wala naman nag-downvote. May nag-upvote pa.
may-
Oo.
10. Tapos may 14 replies. So, marami nag-agree sa kanya. Yeah.
Wala naman tayong pangit na experience sa Saigon. So, walang reason to like banish it sa not gonna return to destinations na bin.
Yes.
Alam mo yan, walang reason to put it there. It's just not my favorite. Alam mo yun, I just, yun. Kaya nung nagpunta tayo sa Saigon, parang we only spent a few days to sabi natin, let's move to Moine. Which is like 2 hours away na puro sand dunes and beach and maganda. Kasi alam ko na it's not my cup of tea.
Correct.
Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Ang pinaka-core memory ko na nga doon yung kumain kami ng pho.
Oo.
Yung nakaupo. Yung as in, sobrang baba ng upan. Yung pag naglalaba ka,
Oo. Bangko.
bangko.
Oo.
Nakabangko kami habang kumakain ng pho. Yun yung pinaka-core memory ko.
Ako nga, ang weird, no? Kasi, when I went to Vietnam, I went to Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. Now, I cannot remember anything about Ho Chi Minh.
Same.
May something, no? I can't access anything from Ho Chi Minh, but I remember Hanoi. But in general, like kunyari, meron akong friend na who's turning 60 this year. Friend ko siya, like ano kami, work friends na naging parang very close. Laging nagpaparinig sa akin. Gusto kong pumunta ng Vietnam. Gusto talaga na ako ang kasama. Parang mix. Mura sa Vietnam, no? But I don't hate it.
Oo.
Walang
Parang-
hate, walang, I'm not gonna go back, but not now.
Ito naman from Saki Chu. Tokyo. I got depressed while we were in Tokyo. There was just this negative vibe from the people and the place na na-absorb ko while we were there, kaya pati ako nahawaan. The only time I enjoyed our Japan trip ay whenever wala kami sa Tokyo. Oh.
May nag-reply, si Federal Pin 2816, sabi niya, I get what you mean about the vibe. Ang bright ng city, daming ilaw, daming tao, pero parang empty or dead inside. I'll probably still go back for the shopping or if may concert in the area, pero it's my least like Japan stop. Sabi naman ni Monica Corus, OMG, I'm glad somebody said this. Yes, ang passive-aggressive ng mga tao sa Tokyo at nakakahigop sila ng energy. Ang sikip pa ng basically everything. Hotels, hallways, people are friendlier in Osaka and Kyoto, maybe because hindi sila as stressed doon. Ito I get.
Yeah.
I really get it. And it's coming from someone na I think my number one favorite city is Tokyo. Diba? It's my favorite city, pero I completely get this.
Yeah.
Like, nagigets ko siya. Kasi of all the Japanese cities or destinations, kaiba talaga yung Tokyo. Kaya lagi nating sinasabi, di ba, if it's your first time in Japan, huwag kayo magto-Tokyo. Start in Osaka, Fukuoka. Di ba? Pero huwag muna sa Tokyo kasi it's very different. Iba yung pace, iba yung vibe, iba yung mga tao. Yung mga tao kasi parang nagmamadali lagi,
Yes.
di ba? Kung babagal-bagal ka, mabubunggo ka talaga nila, parang ganon. And yung ate ko, di ba, ilang years nakatira sa Tokyo. So, madalas ako sa Tokyo, pero I love it, but I get it.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. So, meron lang pinuntahan si Vince. Pero habang wala siya, hinihintay natin siya. Take natin yung opportunity na to announce na we have just signed a book deal, an international book deal with Penguin Random House SEA.
SEA!
Yay! So yes, we're gonna enter our author era. Yun.
Yay!
Hindi pa lang namin pwedeng sabihin sa inyo kung tungkol saan yung libro. For sure, it's about travel, pero like, what about exactly?
Yun,
And-
ang aabangan nila.
Yes. Pero it's going to be fun. It's very different from all the content na nakikita nyo na nalabas na natin dito sa podcast, sa Facebook, sa
Reels, sa TikTok,
oo.
sa YouTube.
And yun naman yung ginagawa natin, di ba? Na parang every channel, we want to give you something different. It's signed, it's sealed, yung delivered, abangan.
Yay! Another confetti moment.
Yes.
2,000 years later.
Ito from Cardio Basque, India. Sakto na nakavisit ng Taj Mahal sa Agra, but my God, ang dumi outside Delhi city proper and extremely unsafe for female tourists. They will ogle you up and down. Plus, the SA rate is so high.
Yung concern ni Cardio Basque about how safe or unsafe it is for female tourists, I may be wrong. Pwedeng mali talaga ako. Pero it's my same concern. I personally have that impression. And I've spoken to people who've been to India already. And, you know, they've told me na, no, you know what, there are ways to explore India and keep it safe. Pero so far, and you guys can, you know, correct me, so far I've never been convinced yet to remove that fear. Gets ko si Cardio Basque, no? Very real. I love it na naging very explicit siya about yung descriptions niya. Kasi parang, you know, ako naman, hindi naman ko masasabi na parang I'm a very seasoned or experienced traveler. Pero I would classify myself as someone with an open mind. Pero yung fear ko talaga for this specific place, just because I've read so many news articles, hindi talaga matanggal. Just yet.
At saka kahit sa like kunyari, I remember merong Amazing Race episode na talagang hinabol yung mga girls na contestants, no? Tapos parang cut na, hindi na sila pinakita.
Hindi na pinakita.
Parang papunta na sila sa pit stop after that. Pero I was so scared for them dun sa na yun, sa moment. Ako rin we've never been to India. We want to go. We really want to go. Pero feeling lang namin hindi pa kami ready.
Correct.
Kasi kung pupunta kami ng India, hindi yung parang pupunta lang din nga kami ng Taj Mahal tapos gano'n na. Kasi ang laki niya Ang laki niyang country. Kung mag-i-India tayo, dapat longer yung stay natin.
And parang high level of preparation.
High level of preparation. And syempre, pag nag-India tayo, andun ka na So parang isama mo na yung Nepal, Sri Lanka, gano'n. Na wala pa tayong ganun kahabang time. Sa ngayon, hindi pa tayo pwedeng mawala ng ganun katagal. So, ayun. Pero, gets. Gets. Maraming, hindi naman ito yung first time na makakabasa tayo ng ganito. Marami naman.
Oo.
A lot of Filipinos also come home from India with amazing experiences. Diba?
Life-changing experiences for them.
How family-oriented the Indians are, diba? Close to how we are, ganun-ganun. Pero parang, yun nga, high level of preparation is needed just for safety. And also, in the same way, the reverse is true. Like, when we talk to foreigner friends and we invite them to the Philippines, we also want to mind condition them. Diba? Na parang, guys, this is not like visiting Thailand, and then you can just keep on crossing borders and then you get to explore the whole chunk of Southeast Asia. Parang we have to mentally prepare them na we're far from diba?
From our neighbors.
From our neighbors, okay? So it's a special trip. And
We're out of the way.
We're super out of the way. And when you land in Manila, I want to ask you, do you want to explore the city or do you want to go straight to the beach? Because if you want to go straight to the beach, then my recommendation is just to hop on the next, di ba? Medyo may ganun din tayong, we want to help those who visit the Philippines, parang be prepared about the conditions, etc., the safety issues, ganyan-ganyan. So parang feeling ko it's the same.
Yan. Sabi naman ni Frosty Cheesecake, nakakagutom ang iyong username, Frosty Cheesecake 484, Boracay. Yan.
Vince's happy
Ang
place!
mahal lahat. Kawawa ako doon kahit na anong kuripot ko at hindi naman ako nagagala pero di makagastos, wala pa din, sabi niya. May mga nag-agree, sabi ni Strange Eye of Agamotto, kaya never ko nagustuhan ng Boracay is like poblasyon sa beach. Di hamak na mas maganda ang Palawan 100 times. Yun.
Ako, I have to agree sa prices talaga. Sobrang, every time nung bumabalik kami ni Yosh,
Pamahal ng pamahal.
pamahal ng pamahal. Tinay naman namin ni Yosh last time na maghanap ng mga below 200 pesos. Pero if you think about it, mahal
Mahal pa rin yung 200
pesos. Pero parang yun yung
Yung masarap na hindi ka na alam mo yun, hindi ka madidisappoint.
hindi ka madidisappoint. Ganon.
Pero kasi, hindi ka naman madidisappoint if it's like poblasyon sa beach, if you're expecting poblasyon sa beach.
Yes.
Gets. Oo.
Oo.
Naka-mindset ka na.
So parang, I agree. Palawan is 100 times better than Boracay in terms of scenery, 'di ba? In terms of yung seascape, 'di ba? 'Di ba may car skiffs, ganyan.
Oo.
Pero for me kasi they are two completely different things, 'di ba?
Yes.
So, kasi kakapalawan lang ulit namin, kaka El Nido and Puerto Princesa, kakabalik lang namin ni Vince, and kaka-Boracay lang din ulit namin. So, 'di ba? Magkaiba siya eh. So, kung gusto mo talaga ng hardcore na island hopping, then Palawan, 'di ba? Pero kung gusto ko lang na mag-relax, I wouldn't mind returning to Boracay every year.
Oo.
In a heartbeat. So,
Yes.
yun. But that's just us. Ang dami nating friends na hindi rin gusto yung Boracay.
Oo. True naman yan.
Basically, kanya-kanya tayo, even sa beach, kanya-kanya tayo ng taste.
Correct. Oo.
Mm-mm.
We have a comment from Cold War Bunny. Ang sabi niya, I may get downvotes here since wala pang sumasagot, but Bangkok, Thailand! So, fresh na fresh pa kay Cold War Bunny. Sabi niya, kakagaling lang namin doon 1 week ago and it's my second time around. Yung food for me paulit-ulit, more than a week kami and parang wala na kaming makain kasi third day pa lang na-try na namin lahat. And yung sabi nilang cheap na damit sa Prato Nam, halos same quality and style lang from Taytay. And mas cheaper sa atin. The price there can get you a brand new shirt from our malls. Ganon. Okay. Then, we encountered a rude Thai during tax refund sa airport. Sinigawan kami just because di namin maintindihan yung English niya. So, never again. Maybe another part of Thailand we can try. Oh, at least hindi as a country.
Hindi lahat, hindi niya generalize. Pero gets, 'di ba? Parang pag meron ka talaga mga ganyan, lalo na kapag sinisigawan ka.
Oo.
Tumatatak kasi talaga yan eh. Tapos masasabi mo talaga na hindi na ako
Never
babalik.
again. Oo.
Pero ayun, Bangkok kasi we love it. And kahit na yung food, marami namang iba't ibang klaseng food, iba-ibang, very diverse naman yung Thai cuisine. Pero kung magsasomtam ako every day, I wouldn't mind.
If I would eat pad thai every day, ako rin eh, I don't mind.
Ako, mag-tom yum, different varieties ng tom yum. Ano ko, everyday, go.
Pero, yun nga eh, at the same time, kung ano yung sinabi ni Cold War Bunny, sobrang valid.
Oo, valid talaga.
Kasi nga naman, kung siya yung type na medyo nananawa sa pagkain, di ba? Tinry naman niya lahat for 3 days, pero ayun, 4th day, yun na naman. So, ano talaga, doon mo marirealize na ganun talaga. Varying opinion.
Tsaka, puro spices, cilantro, masilanto sila.
At saka hindi lahat ng tao na-appreciate yun eh. Di ba? May mga tao na ayaw nila ng masyadong herby.
Oo.
Or spicy.
Oo. Kasi yung palette ng Pilipino, hindi ganun eh. In general, hindi ganun.
Ako, perfect example yung family ko. Silang lahat. yung cilantro, ang nalalasahan nila sa cilantro, lasa daw sabon.
Ah.
Yun yung nalalasahan nila. Parang, okay, gets. Hindi lahat parang na-appreciate yung ganong
Correct.
lasa.
Oo.
Okay, from Bangkok, lilipad na tayo pa Europe. So, meron tayong dalawang entries dito. Yung isa ay from Maria. Sabi niya, Milan. Kahit ano pang ganda, ano pang yaman ng kasaysayan at arkitektura nila, kung bawat sulok naman ay merong mandurukot, tapos may emoji.
Oo.
To be fair, hindi lang naman Milan, yung major city sa Europe na ang daming ganyan.
Barcelona.
Berlin,
Athens.
Athens, Paris, and yun din nga yung sabi ni Captivating Queens, 2007, Paris, France, overrated. And lagi kang kakaba-kaba kung nadukutan ka na ba habang nag-iikot. Kanina pinag-usapan na natin yung scam sa Cambodia, and sort of, pickpocket is a scam din in a way, di ba? Parang yung mga ganitong mga petty crimes, it really ruins, di ba, yung experience.
Oo.
'Di ba? Imagine nyo kung gaano sana ka-enjoyable dapat yung
Yes.
mga Milans and Parises and Barcelonas of the world kung hindi ka gaganon-ganon sa...
Sa bag mo.
Oo.
Oo. Ano siya, no? Kasi, instead of being open to wonder, ikaw parang nagiging vigilant na yung brain mo.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Safety na yung nagiging number one concern mo.
Yes, oo.
And, talaga naman, safety naman talaga dapat ang number one concern mo. Ito nga lang, you become hyper-vigilant.
Mhm.
So, it takes away the joy.
Yes.
Yun lang, very real. They're very real to state this. Pero ang positive side is nakapunta naman na sila.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
They've been there at least once and then one and done. Tapos na. Mm-mm.
Nag-agree din pala si Condesa, no? Sa true, di mo na may enjoy because very conscious ka sa mga dala mong gamit.
Correct.
True.
And that's the tea. Hindi, totoo naman. Milan, gusto ko pa rin bumalik kasi hindi natin nakita yung Last Supper. So may reason tayo para bumalik. Pero kung nakita na natin yun, ako rin parang okay na ako sa Milan. Maganda yung Milan, ha? Don't get us wrong. Maganda siya. Pero kung babalik ako ng Italy, I would rather see another city naman. Kasi
Mm.
para hindi na babalik. Para iba naman. Oo.
And sa other cities sa Italy, less yung pickpockets.
Parang the rule of thumb is the more popular or the bigger the city is, usually mas marami.
Higher concentration of pickpockets.
Yun.
Okay.
And yung next natin, oh my God, next.
Ito naman from Jigs. Macau. By fast craft from Hong Kong. Nakakasuka ang biyahe. Siguro by plane, if libre, pwede pa ulit.
Yan din yung sabi ni Mary at saka ni Throw PH Invest. Sabi niya, Macau, mabahong food, some people are rude. And I had a somewhat rare experience. Ito, kakaiba to. Sabi niya, I had a somewhat rare experience in Hong Kong kasi people were so nice to me there in Hong Kong and helped me whenever I asked. I enjoyed my stay but I don't feel inclined to go back. Parang yun. Ayun. And yun din yung sabi ni Mara,
Familiar tong user na to sa akin.
puro casino lang daw.
Oh.
Yun. Marami namang magagawa sa Macau. Macau is not... I enjoy Macau. Let's just say that.
One of my first experience of Chinese New Year was actually in Macau. Yung decor nila. That's why I fell in love with the holiday. Kahit na hindi yan naman ako ethnically Chinese. Wala siyang personal relevance sa akin. Pero I just found it so beautiful nung time when I went to Macau. So actually, minsan timing plays a role, no? Kasi I went there, beautifully decorated, celebratory, kaya I enjoyed it na hindi ko napansin na, the casinos. The casinos kasi zero talaga sa akin eh. Zero appeal. Zero appeal sa akin. But Senado Square was beautifully decorated at that time. Kaya I have great memories. I have pixelated photos, but I loved my time there just gazing at the red buntings.
And yung Macau, meron siyang yung hyper-modern entertainment complex side and meron siyang historic side. Yung
Correct.
Portuguese colonial side and Chinese heritage side on one side. Puro side. Pero, ayun, na-enjoy ko siya. Pero gusto ko rin yung cuisine kasi ng Macau. Yung Chinese and Portuguese na fusion.
Fusion.
I love it.
And the small, the tart.
Egg tarts.
Oo. Yun, pero I get it. Macau is very small. So if nakapag-stay ka na siguro ng siguro like a few days, parang feeling mo na explore mo na halos lahat. So if gusto mo nang mag-explore ng other areas, pwedeng hindi mo na balikan.
Correct.
Totoo.
Okay, I think this is...
Second
We
to the
have
last.
second to the last entry, and we have 3 people who stated the same country. Starting off with Faye. Sabi ni Faye, Singapore. Maybe because I'm amazed of ancient ruins and I like nature. So yun yung preference niya. Ancient ruins, maybe like Cambodia or in Thailand, and then nature. Kasi nga naman sa Singapore, concrete jungle where dreams are made of.
Although
Diba?
meron namang ilang spots, pero syempre, compare sa ibang countries, ang konti.
Correct. And yung nature nila is still man-made eh. Like yung Gardens by the Bay, etc.
Merong natural naman.
Meron?
Oo, meron
Hindi ako
naman.
nakapunta.
Pero syempre, maliit lang.
Si Knowledgeable Kale 9728, sabi niya, Singapore, since maliit lang siya, which is what Yosh just said, carry na yung once pumunta and expensive din. I mean, ang ganda ng SG. But for the same reason dahil expensive, parang lahat may bayad, hindi ko na talaga babalikan.
Parang kanta yung yung pagkasabi mo. Oo. Pero meron din akong ganyan sa Singapore before na parang after ng like a couple or siguro 3 trips natin, parang sabi ko parang ay okay na ako sa SG.
May ganun din ako.
Pero ang dami kasi laging bago.
Kasi, forced sila to talagang make their country appealing.
Oo.
Oo. Whether it be through concerts or an exhibit or a race.
Oo.
Di ba marami pupunta sa Singapore? So, I think, yun talaga yung mabibilib ka naman din sa kanila.
And attractions. Like, merong bagong attractions and sobrang grand ng mga bagong attractions. Even nga, kunyari, kahit Gardens by the Bay, di ba minsan nagbabago? Ngayon, Jurassic Park yata yung theme nun. Last time, Avatar. Tapos ngayon, meron na silang Northern Lights na pa-effect.
Oh, diba?
Dun sa dati, parang light show lang naman siya na yung regular na lights show. So, lagi sila nag-i-innovate.
Correct.
Siguro kasi kailangan din nilang mag-innovate talaga. So, ako, nasabi ko na yan before, pero I end up always going back. Kasi ang sarap din ng food. Alam mo, food talaga yung nagpapabalik sa akin, I feel.
Lalo na yung dun sa mga hawker. Hawker food. Grabe. Tapos meron akong favorite na kinakainan dun. Yung sabaw siya, tapos may buto.
Oh, bakute.
Bakute. I would return even just for the bakute.
Basta ako, I love Singapore. So, I would gladly return.
Parang minsan nga, parang kunyari, meron ako nakitang plane ride, tapos merong stop sa Singapore.
I would.
I take it.
Yes.
The stops to Singapore.
Yeah.
Oo.
Me too.
Dati, during yung time na nag-business trip ako, talagang nag-ano ako.
Intentionally, magle-layover sa Singapore. Ginagawa ko rin yan.
Pero sa Singapore kasi, airport pa lang,
Ay, naku.
attraction na.
Masali-sali ako sa mga contest doon. Yung mga
Raffle.
raffle. Diba?
Diyos ko po.
Yes, so ito na. Last entry na tayo, Ses. I think it's yours for the taking.
I shall take it.
Yes.
And it's by Dothacker 81.
.hacker.
Dothacker 81. Turkey.
Oh.
Walang pabo. Joke, sabi niya. Not sure kung bakit hindi ko feel. Siguro kasi napakahaba ng layover. Ano talaga, no? Parang depende talaga sa tao.
Sa tao talaga.
tao
Kasi
talaga.
ito, Turkey sure ako, babalikan ko to.
Ako din. One time pa lang tayo nakapag...
Turkey,
Turkey.
oo. Kahit Istanbul and Cappadocia ulit, okay lang,
You would.
babalikan ko
Oo.
ulit. Oo. I wouldn't mind. Preferably with Ses na rin. I think you're gonna love a hot air balloon ride.
Yes.
I would gladly.
Tayo ba, ano yung hindi na natin babalikan for whatever reason?
Ako, Cyprus. Oo.
Why?
Why? Di ba minsan kasi, when safety becomes a concern, when you start to feel uncomfortable the first moment you get there, it taints the entire experience. You try to justify in your head na parang, hindi, maganda naman to, may historic place. Pero remember, we were supposed to go to a historic place, pero we decided na, let's
Wag na
just
lang,
stay sa room.
Parang na-traumatize na.
Oo.
Maglaban na lang tayo.
Maglaba na lang tayo ng clothes natin. Pero there were also moments when I found Limassol to be multicultural. Which I found very odd na something happened to us in Cyprus. Diba? Kasi when we were at the Baywalk, we saw na timing tayo na it was the weekend. Tapos ang daming iba't ibang lahi.
Yeah.
Walking, strolling together, playing games as families, gano'n-gano'n, sitting on the beach, on the grass. So sabi natin, wow, this is a cultural melting pot pala talaga. So takang-taka tayo why when we first landed and arrived, we were full of hope. Uy, bagong
Of excitement.
excitement. Bagong country unlocked. Tapos, yung ride-hailing app gave us, unfortunately, a driver who at that time, kasi that was 2023. So, it was still pandemic, pero the WHO at that time already announced that
It's over.
it's over.
over.
The pandemic is over.
Recently over. Parang ganon. Kaka-announce na.
Days pa lang.
Oo.
Days. Kasi Cyprus was our next stop after
Greece.
diba? And we received the announcement in Greece. So what happened, guys, was this driver, when he first saw us, na parang, oh, ganito itsura, Asians. Eh, marami namang Asians pala doon as it turns out. Diba? For some reason, he became parang, he felt the ick sa atin, kumbaga. And when the cash was handed over to him as payment, ick siya when he received it. Tapos when he gave the change, he didn't give it talaga. Parang he threw it.
Parang obvious na ayaw niyang lumapit sa atin. Parang ganon.
Pero in all fairness to us, tayo rin naman, ayaw rin naman natin ng
Oo.
physical contact sa kanya. Pero it was our first and rare brush with something akin to racism or discrimination.
Oo.
Oo.
And parang yung ganyan kasi, I think nabanggit ko to dun sa episode with Kring, sa Think Talk Tea, na parang hindi naman bago sa atin yung mga ganyan, lalo na yung mga microaggressions. Marami yan eh. Pag naglalakad tayo, di ba, meron tayong incident na naglalakad tayo, tapos susundan tayo ng mga lalaki, tapos sila ching-chong, ganon. Maraming ganon na kasi akala Chinese tayo, akala ganitong lahi tayo, di ba? Pero hindi natin yun minamind eh. Parang hindi na tayo yung para ma-bother sa ganyan. We'll just enjoy the moment. Pero that time kasi, para ang sama talaga sa pakiramdam eh. Di ba? Pinamukha niya talaga sa atin na ang disgusting natin, di ba? Parang ganun yung feeling.
Tsaka, pagbaba pa, he accused us of damaging his car. Yung nasa likod.
Because of yung bag. Oo, tama. Nalala ko.
Oo, pero nandun naman, sobrang lumang-luma na yung itsura nung damage sa car niya. Nandun na yun matagal na. Hindi naman siya fresh damage.
Minsan lang ako pumitik talaga ako sa kanya. Parang, no, I will not be paying for that. Ganyan.
Tapos ang bilis niya rin na gano'n, no? Parang,
Oo.
okay.
Okay.
Alam mo na parang invento lang.
Oo.
Kasi
Try lang, try lang.
Try ko lang.
Hindi mo na ka tinulungan, gaganyan-ganyan ka mo.
Ngayon talaga si Vince pag naargabyado tayo.
Oo.
Siya yung...
Kakapikon
Dahil dyan, Vince, ano naman yung sayo?
Ako, Skopje, sa North Macedonia. Similar nung Cyprus natin.
Oo.
Na-scam tayo sa taxi.
Taxi din, oo. Pero yung sa Cyprus, hindi man scam. Pero ganun din yung feeling.
Parang
Parang feeling
ganun yung
natin.
feeling. Parang dito naman, yung feeling mo na nagoyo ka, naloko ka ng bongs. Parang after a long bus ride, happy pa kami. Yeah, nakarating kami. Tapos may taxi na nakita, ganyan. Kompleto na. SIM card na, ganyan. Hala, pagdating dun sa parang Arc de Triomphe stop nila, yun.
Iba na presyo.
Iba na yung presyo.
Correct. Nakapag-agree na eh.
Oo.
Nakapag-agree na sa presyo. Overpriced, hindi Demetro. Pero pumayag tayo kasi
Oo.
pagod na, gabi na.
Tapos na-hostage pa kami kasi ayaw naming bayaran. So yung mga luggage namin, hindi namin mababa.
Hindi namin makuha.
Oo.
At almost nakuyog.
Oo, almost nakuyog. Kasi may mga nakapark doon ng mga ibang taxi drivers. Na parang, ayan, papunta na sila. Tapos kung ano-ano na sinisigaw. Ganyan.
Malalakas na boses. Medyo malalaki sila ha.
Oo, mama talaga. Mga
Mama
mama
sila.
talaga.
Tinan mo naman yung lalaban sa kanila.
Ay, hindi kaya natin yun.
Hindi, kaya natin. Pero ayoko talaga kayo mapahamak. Alam mo yun, takot ako na shit, baka magsuntukan dito.
Rumble. Ends coming. 3 Pinoy na vloggers kalaboso matapos makipag-rumble.
Nakipag-rumble, hindi nakasuntok.
Ay.
Pero yun lang, yung dahil sa experience na yun, parang ganun lang. Yun lang yung negative
Oo.
na ano ko nun.
Pero one thing na na-realize ko is, actually sa experience natin sa Cyprus, meron naman siyang ni-redeem naman ng Cyprus di ba? Yung last
Exactly.
driver
Oo.
natin,
Exactly.
the most magiliw na limousine driver, ang binayad natin is pang regular car lang, na taon na yung available is limousine talaga. So, sobrang sweet ni Lolo driver. And kay Skopje naman, North Macedonia, yung host natin bumawi naman.
Correct.
Oo.
Oo. Lumaban.
As in lumaban.
Oo.
Nakaganto siya, nakapaniking siyang
Oo,
ganyan.
ganyan.
Hinahabol niyang tingin yung driver.
Nakikipagtitigan.
Oo.
Maglabas ng cellphone. Oo.
Binibidyohan niyang ganyan.
Oo.
Hindi ka makakatakas. Ang ginawa pa niya, super,
Ay!
dito ako super na-touch. Hinatid niya pa kami sa airport. Hinatid niya tayo sa
Nung
airport.
pauwi. Oo. She
Super
wanted to
sweet.
make sure na
We're
hindi na
safe.
natin ma-experience yung gano'n.
Oo. Diba? So, may redemption naman. Parang may saving grace. Kumbaga.
Oo.
Kaya lang, syempre, gaya na sabi ni Sas kanina, parang, diba, maaalala mo yung super negative na feeling just because it doesn't happen all the time. Parang, it rarely happens. Diba? We get amazed all the time. We get excited all the time. Pero yung ganung feeling na parang sobrang down ka kapag nasa travel, bira yun
Oo.
Oo.
So parang yun yung maaalala mo talaga. Ako, iniisip ko kung meron pa kasi yung entry ko is yung kapareho ng entry nyo.
Oo nga eh.
Konti lang kasi yung mga super negative experiences natin na talagang nag-scar sa atin, di ba? Konti lang. So yung dalawa na yan, and kasama ko pa kayo pareho. So, so wala na akong ibang maisip. Siguro ang masasabi ko na lang is parang just because we're trying to visit as many countries as possible. And, di ba, nasabi ko na kanina, I love Iceland, everything about it. Pero parang okay na ako. Hindi ko na muna siya babalikan in a long time kasi meron pa tayong Norway na kailangang puntahan, may Finland pa na 'di ba na kayang, or kung babalik ako na instead na bumalik ako na Iceland, siguro I'll go to Greenland or siguro Isle of Man, alam mo 'yun, ano pa ba, Faroe Islands, 'di ba? Marami pa So parang ayoko munang umulit. Same with yung mga microstates. 'Di ba? Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, Monaco, San Marino, ay, hindi pala microstate yung Luxembourg, sorry po. Ganun. Pero, di ba yung mga maliliit na countries, parang okay na. Kasi Andorra.
Pero parang gusto
Parang
ko
babalik,
mag-shopping
hindi,
ulit.
babalikan ko yung Andorra. Pero Liechtenstein, one full day tayo doon, pero parang okay na tayo.
Vatican.
Pero Liechtenstein, Monaco, San Marino, parang okay na ako sa ngayon. Parang hindi na muna ako uulit. Siguro kapag na-complete na natin lahat ng countries sa Europe, dun ko pa lang siya i-consider na balikan ulit.
Tsaka salamat din sa mga nag-participate.
Oo,
thank you.
Very enlightening din.
Oo, marami tayong, may mga na-open na, ganun pala, ito pala experience niya, no? So, thank you sa mga nag-participate. Kung wala kayo, walang episode na to.
Yes. At siya yung iba nagva-validate niya. Merong mga thoughts dito na iniisip ko, pero merong parang, nung time na yun, iniisip ko, ako lang ba to?
Oo.
Oo.
Tapos maririnig mo sa ibang tao na parang, okay.
Oo.
Oo.
I was not alone
Yes.
in that
Yes.
thought. Diba?
Oo. At saka it goes to show, for sure, may nakikinig sa atin na favorite country nila is
Oo.
Cyprus.
Correct.
Or North Macedonia, di ba? Na kasi hindi nila naranasan yung naranasan natin. In the same way na yung mga binasa natin, di ba, na marami hindi tayo agree kasi favorite natin yung mga binanggit nilang destinations. And okay lang yan. Okay lang na hindi tayo pare-pareho kasi iba-iba naman nga tayo ng circumstances
Oo.
and preferences and background. It's okay. Nagdi-discuss lang tayo dito.
Correct.
Unique tayo sa isa't isa.
Oo.
So, yung mga nakikita natin or nafe-feel natin na parang ayaw nang balikan, iba sa amin or sa ibang tao din.
Yes. I think yung pwede nating closing is, although nag-present kami ng mga point of view ng ibang tao and point of view din namin ng mga destinations na hindi na nila and namin gustong balikan, ang iiwan natin sa inyo ay siguro wag tayo magpadala sa opinion ng ibang tao. Kung gusto niyo siyang puntahan, puntahan niyo pa rin siya.
So, parang ang na-realize ko dito sa episode na to, rare kasi tayo magkaroon ng episode na yung topic natin is parang negatively stated.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Mm.
Lagi tayong parang dream destinations, ganon. Ito parang first time kong mag-discuss in this way ng ganitong klaseng topic. Pero in the end, ang marirealize mo talaga, different strokes for different folks. Timing matters, who you're with during the trip, 'di ba? Tapos some memory editing also happens 'di ba? Parang minsan na-justify mo sa sarili mo na okay naman kasi ganito, but sometimes the memory editing doesn't help.
Oo. Parang may one time, I think yung sa Hong Kong, one of our recent trips, pumunta kami ni Vince sa Avenue of Stars, di ba? Tapos hinintay namin yung Symphony of Lights. Tapos pinanood namin siya. Kasi sabi namin, sige, abangan natin kasi I remember parang na-enjoy natin yan nung first time pinanood namin. Tapos nung pinanood na namin siya this time around, parang
This is not what we remember.
oo, parang ito ba yun?
Underwhelming.
Oh, super underwhelmed
Underwhelming.
talaga kami.
Parang ang tanda kasi namin, very extravagant yung mga lights, as in pasiklab talaga. Tapos nung nagpunta kami doon, parang,
hindi, you need to squint.
ba?
Parang ganun.
ano ba, mahina na ba? Hindi doon na ba yung mga
Oo.
Ganon.
Parang hindi na masyadong maaninag yung mga
pang
lasers.
kumukuti-kutitap na lang sila.
Oo. So, hindi ko alam kung parang, was it the timing?
Yeah.
Baka kasi foggy nung day na yon or hindi siya kasing linaw, di ba, yung view? Was it the attraction itself? Nagbago ba siya? Kumonti lang ba yung lights?
Oo.
Na kumonti yung buildings na nagpa-participate? Or were we remembering it wrong?
Possible.
Di ba? Baka kasi that time, since Hong Kong was one of the first cities internationally na na-visit natin, baka we were so amazed, but the bar was
So,
low pa. Oo. Pero eventually, we've seen a lot of light shows over the past 15 years na nung binalikan natin siya, hindi na siya ganun ka-amazing for us. Parang, di ba, may mga ganun eh. So, iba-iba nga talaga.
Kasi parang yung sa sinabi mo, Yosh, parang you were a different person when you first saw it. And you guys were totally different this time around.
Like rivers.
Oo.
You cannot step in the same river twice, di ba? And you cannot step as the same person twice.
Oh.
Di ba? Parang
Like
ganon.
graph!
Because like rivers, we are constantly changing.
Yes.
As travelers din, we change, di ba?
So kung meron pa kayong comments or topic suggestions for our future episodes, go lang, i-post nyo lang sa The Poor Traveler Support Group on Facebook, facebook.com/groups/The Poor Traveler, or sa ating subreddit. Active na active yan. Marami kayong mapupulot dyan na kung anik-anik. That's reddit.com/r/thepoortraveler.
Yes, and for all the promo codes, hotel recommendations, tour recommendations, and yung mga travel essentials, sorted by country, punta lang kayo sa thepoortraveler.net/masterlist. Nandyan yung lahat ng mga tips natin. All in one page.
Yan. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon beside it para lagi kayong updated sa mga episodes natin. And huwag nyo rin kaming kalimutang i-follow sa Spotify.
Kasi we publish a new episode every
Monday!
O yun na.
That's all for now. I'm Vince.
I'm Cess.
And I'm Yosh. Remember, plan smart, travel safe, and make every trip
Worth
it! Thank you, thank you!
Thank you.